Hello and welcome back to Unwed Jawad 786. Hope you all are fine there and hope you have watched my last video related to digital marketing course and what these stuffs are revolving all around the digital marketing. So we will continue this lecture further and we will be discussing in last video you have seen that we have discussed about SEO, search engine optimization, paid advertising and email marketing. Now from content marketing we will be continuing that what is content marketing, what is all about content marketing. As you know that content marketing plays an important role in digital marketing or in boosting up your creator mode, and this is very important. That's why I have shown this in center because it's a core part of digital marketing. We will be discussing about videos, images, carousel post, blog post, in which comes into content marketing, how it is done. So I will be showing some sample and some it's my LinkedIn ID and what type of content I am posting there and how I am utilizing the content in marketing. So I will be providing some sort of examples to you in front of your screen. You will be after getting familiar with videos, images, post, blog post, how it is done, you will be hero from zero. You will be starting creating and doing the on purpose and very important content, and after creating content you will be starting doing marketing, which will obviously boost your material which you have created by on. So moving ahead, first of all I want to show you the videos example, that how we can create videos content. Okay, let me show you. Yeah, I will be moving on my LinkedIn ID. So basically you can follow me on LinkedIn. So likewise you can see this is video marketing. Yeah, you are creating a certain type of videos. Okay, remember you will create videos like in which the people, in which your followers, in which your viewers are taking interest. You will do research on each content, then which content is getting more subscriber, more viewers, and which content is getting more attention. So likewise you will start creating content in video format. So I have created this video and you can see the analytic is showing 229 impressions. This means that it is grabbing attention of my followers and viewers. As far as the format is concerned, in videos you can create very entertaining videos or some cartoon animated videos which will obviously boost to your content related to or posted on your social media. So this can be a video content. Or after creating content in video format, how you will market, how you will be starting with marketing. Likewise I have created this video on LinkedIn, so I will go on my Facebook ID, post here that video likewise, and you can see in managing page, if you are managing business page, you will see option here, boost post. You will simply click on boost post and start marketing of your content. So I think you are getting my point that the content which you have created in video format, you will start marketing, you will start promoting your video, whether it's related to your product, whether it is related to your business, you will start marketing. So it will be a form in video format, and obviously you have seen in reel format the viewers are start watching those type of reels, those type of videos which are very entertaining, which are very informative, which are very technical based, or we can say the programming based videos. The different type of viewers start giving priority to watch that video. So moving on image, how you can create image content. Okay, let me move on to my ID, LinkedIn ID. Okay, now you can see here it if you are enjoying, or if you are witnessing any type of event, like Muslims all over the world celebrate Eids and Eid festival or events. I have created image, okay, a photo or image, you can say. Then if you are going towards your Facebook page and post that image and start marketing, then if the image is interesting, so everybody will watch and start sharing, and you will grab attention of your followers or viewers or subscribers. So if we talk about carousel post, it is very important on LinkedIn. I will be guiding you in detail that how we can create. Even you can see my playlist of Canva designing. You will start learning that how the carousel posts are created on using Canva, so you can create those carousel posts easily. So let me show you an example. This was a topic that how to write resume. Okay, I posted this carousel post. You can see you can click on next and next and next and until its end here. So these are types of carousel posts you can create and start marketing, or whether on LinkedIn, or yeah, you can market on LinkedIn or Facebook or Instagram, so on. So it is the carousel post format. Now moving on to blog post, how it is done. Similarly, I will move on to my website. Yeah, it's created a blog post. I have mentioned on Feb 4 2023. This is a blog related to how to get expert in digital marketing. By the way, you can visit my website Jawad, Panhyar. I will be mentioning in video and description wixsite.com. This is a sample Wix site because I am expert in designing Wix sites, so you can also grab the services of design if you are required the website using Wix site. Okay, I am expert in designing. So this is this blog was on digital marketing A to Z, about how we can start, measure your results and conclusion. So I have created this blog, and if I want to market, I haven't started with marketing this blog because I was not interested to market, as I'm getting viewers by social media, so I don't need marketing. But if you start marketing, then you will simply copy this link and post on your Facebook ID, and similarly you will click on boost post and select the goal. What is goal, we will be discussing in detail in further videos. Okay, this was all about blog post. Okay, likewise you can create a website and create blog included in those website, and also you can earn, you can start earning from blogging. It's a very detailed course I will be uploading in future, but right now you can see many videos, lectures, tutorials on YouTube and start learning blogging, because it's also very you can earn a huge amount by sitting at your home, whether you are sleeping, but blogging makes you rich in a very less time. But efforts are needed, and consistency is the main tool. If you are not consistent in creating content marketing or creating different content, then obviously you will be losing a lot of money which are on your table and ignoring those monies and so on. So likewise I have explained you that how content marketing can be done in different format, whether it is video, image, carousel post, blog post. You can utilize this format in each on your social media platform, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or by the way, Google Ads, we will talk about it later when we will be discussing about it. So right now you must digest about this basic theory, that how the working is done by creating content, and you will see the demand is rising day by day, whether it is an industrial portion or whether it is a HR, human resources. They both department are looking for the extraordinary intelligent and talented content creator. So they are utilizing the content creator by their efficient post, a valuable post, and after the content creation is done, they are moving towards marketing, and likewise they are getting their ROI, which is the return on investment. So this was all about content marketing. Until then, take your best care, and before leaving, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel on with Jawad 76, and do share with those everyone who is willing to learn digital marketing. You no need to have paid so much for learning digital marketing. I am providing you free content A to Z, and I will make you from zero to hero in the portion of digital marketing. It's not difficult as you think. It's easy if you start learning, if you start taking interest. So keep connected with my channel, and obviously meet you in next lecture, which will be about affiliate marketing. Thank you so much for your precious time. Take care. Goodbye.